Good morning students, good morning viewers, good morning everyone. In this video I am going to explain the list of tables in the Ph.D thesis. How to prepare a list of tables in the Ph.D thesis and UG/PG students also. My name is Naveen Kumar. List of tables. For preparing list of table, this is a pattern. You have to write here list of tables and the table number, description, page number. As in the previous video I have explained the list of figures, same thing but replaced with the table. The figure should be replaced with the table. So in the same case, copy paste all the table captions. After preparing the documentation, don't copy paste the figure captions in the same file. You open new file and copy the figure captions into the new file. After completing all the copy pasting the figure captions into the new file, then you cut it from that file and paste it in the first pages where you have mentioned the list of tables. And in the documentation, the table number should be 2 digits. For documentation it is 2 digits. For example, if any table is appearing in the second chapter first table, you have to write 2.1. 2.1 means second chapter first table. And also one more important thing you have to remember, for figure captions you have to write below the figure the name of the figure with the number. For tables you have to write above the table, you mention table and the table number colon, then you write the title of the table. Practically I will explain by opening the one file. This is our PhD file. See, this is the table 2.2 means the second chapter second table. This is a heading we have bolded, and this is the thing. You have to mention wherever the numbers are there, you make it as a center. If the text is there, you make it as the right side. Okay, but don't give the line spacing. Don't give the line spacing within the. Don't give the line spacing. You have to use before and after for the text. See, for PhD people I will explain in the new in the another video. For our drafting people I am saying you that if the table is like this, you maximum use the borders from left and right. It should not be in center like this. It should not be like that. Maximum use you drag it to the left and right. The figure caption is above and the figure should be and table should be like this. Okay, for PhD people I will explain in the new video about the tables. For figure caption you use like this. See, how to format I will explain here. I am taking some data. This is list of figure. I am taking list of tables. This is list of table. If you have copy paste in the new file, the file is like this. You copied the information, copy it and you paste it in the notepad, then cut it and open a new Word file. See, I am opening a new Word file and I paste it. Give the borders, dotted lines. For perfect formatting you have to give the borders. This is my border. For reducing the time I am using the copy pasting. If not, I have to type everything. So select everything and make it as Times Roman 12 font. Whatever the font I have given, you may take it. And this is my table number. First is the table number. I am bolding this thing. After this, you don't give the space bar. Just press tab key to make it 1-2 position. Then tab key. It will go to the end of the thing. Then you give 2.1 colons, not the dot. 2.1 colon or dot. But for figures and caption you mention the colons only. Then give the tab. Generally when you are typing or when you are copying, it is like this. So you mention here colons and press tab key. Tab key means automatically it fixed to the one point. Tab key. For numbers also you press one tab key. You fix it one place and you give the tab key so that it will every line will be going and fixing at one straight line. Don't use the space bar for moving the thing, moving the numbers. After that you take everything and give line spacing. See, the line spacing is 0 here. Again it is showing one space in between. So go to the line spacing. What will happen is before and after. Before and after means before this line some space is there, after this line some spacing is there. So you remove that one, make it as a 0. Before and after is 0, make it 0. This is the thing without spacing. Now you select everything and give 1.5 spacing. This is the perfect formatting. Upon that you give list of tables. List of tables. So this is for PhD students also, for UG and PG students also. You have to follow the, this is the thing, this like this you have to follow the formatting the list of tables. You copy paste the information. This is the table number 2.3 means second chapter third table. 2.4 means second chapter fourth table. Like this. This is the, only for figures and tables the 2 digits should be there for listing the thing. There is no, you should not write the 3 digits for listing the giving the table numbers. It is better, don't follow the subheadings for giving the table numbers. You have to follow the serial number of the chapter. If it is in the second chapter first table, you have to give 2.1. For second chapter second table, you have to give 2.2. But don't follow the subheadings for giving the numbers. Thank you very much for watching this video.